Wish you all a very happy morning. Children, today we are going to learn a new poem. The name of the poem is Seeds, which is written by the great poet Walter de la Mare. Okay, and he is a wonderful poet. He has written this poem, Seeds, to explain, to describe importance of hope and will in our life. Now dear, let's start with poem Seeds, which is written by Walter de la Mare. Now children, recite this poem with me. The seeds I sowed for a week's unseen have pushed up pygmy shoots of green, so frail you did think the tiniest stone would never let a glimpse be showed. But no, a pebble near them lies, at least a cherry stone in size, which that mere sprout has heaved away to bask in sunshine. See the day. Children, in this poem, poet is talking about a seed which he has sowed in the soil. And he is trying to relate germination of seed with the hope and willpower of human's life. He is trying to explain that how hope and willpower plays important role in someone's life when it comes to growth, whether it's mental or physical. Now children, here in this poem, poet is telling that he has sowed a seed which was disappeared for many days, and one day he saw a green shoot. He was telling, he continues that where he sowed a seed, there was a pebble stone. There was a pebble stone which made him feel that the seed will be not able to come out. Seed will not manage to come out because of that pebble stone. But surprisingly, seed was out. Seed was out in this wonderful, beautiful world. Maybe, or we can say must be, because of willpower or hope that seed was having in its heart. Because of its strong willpower, seed managed to push this pebble stone away, and it was so wonderful experience that finally that seed managed to come out from the soil and see this beautiful world. Seed was eagerly wanted to see this beautiful outer world, and it was full of life and hope and willpower, which helped that seed to achieve its goal. After coming out, seed shoot was really happy, as you can see in this picture, and it was bathing in sun rays. It was bathing, it was enjoying sunshine, and along with sunshine, it was enjoying all the activities happening around it. Dear, do you know, when you have hope, when you have willpower in yourself, actually that time you are believing in yourself and your potential. Actually that time you wait for something good to happen, and it gives you energy to bear pain, and it gives positivity to live life happily. Always remember, if you believe in yourself, if you are hopeful, it will definitely going to gift you a good mental and physical health. It will give you positivity. It will give you right direction for your life. Dear, hope can be a powerful force. Maybe there is no actual magic in it. But when you know what you hope for the most, when you know what you want most, when you know what is the goal of your life, when you believe in it, when you have hope in that, what you do, you hold it. You hold it like a light within you. You hold it like light within you. You can make things happen like magic. Only the thing that you have to believe is your hope, which will act like a lightning power inside you, and it will give you happiness. It will make you feel like a magical magical world. Okay, children. So learn from tiny seed not to give up. Try harder and harder to grow in your life. Okay? All the best. Do well. Stay blessed.